and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making a very easy recipe with salmon. The first ingredient is 2 salmon steaks and some rosemary and 10 cherry tomatoes. Now I've put some olive oil in a pan and now I'm going to get the salmon and I'm going to put it. And then I'm going to get the salt and I'm going to sprinkle it on top. Now that I have washed the tomatoes very well and I have cut them into small pieces, I can get them and I'm going to put them all around the pan. Very well. And then I'm going to get the rosemary and I'm going to take out and I'm going to put it all around too. Let it cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. And then you have to turn it around. Now that it is cooked for another 10 minutes, our plate is done. I really hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Bye!